Hi everyone, happy Friday. So we're going to be looking at symmetry again. Okay, so Hannah made a figure using these blocks, these 2D shapes. Does the figure have a line of symmetry? Where is the line of symmetry? If I cut it straight across here, is that a line of symmetry? What if I went all the way down? Is it the same on both sides? It is. So there is a line of symmetry. Now it's going to ask us what these polygon names are. So these names of these shapes. Okay, what's this called? It's a triangle. How many sides does it have? 3. How many vertices? 3. And does it have a line of symmetry? Yes. So let me write 3 in there. I'm not going to write the name of the shapes. It's going to take me ages. Okay, this has, oh, well, let's count the sides together first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. So if it's 6, it's a hint. 6 sides, what shape is it? It's a hexagon, Okay, let me rub out my dots and my lines and things. Do you think it has a line of symmetry? Yeah, it does have a line of symmetry. So we'd give that a tick. Fab. So now what's this shape called? Have a think, maybe pause here and talk to your parent. So you could have said quadrilateral because it's got 4 sides, like a quad bike, it's got 4 wheels. Okay, but if you're being super fancy, it's called a parallelogram. A parallelogram. Okay, how many sides does it have? 4. And how many vertices? 4. Have a good look at it. Does it have a line of symmetry? If I went straight down, or if I went to the corner to corner, does it have a line of symmetry? No, it doesn't have a line of symmetry. Okay, what about this? What's this called? You could have said quadrilateral again, but it's a square. Okay, how many sides? 4. And how many vertices? 4. And does it have a line of symmetry? Yeah, it does. Okay. So here you go. Look, they've drawn it out for you and they've put a line of symmetry in. Okay. Sam made this. So he's made it using a triangle and a parallelogram. Okay. Does it have a line of symmetry? It actually does straight down the middle. If you look there, so he's got a bit of yellow and a bit of yellow and then a whole triangle and a whole triangle. Okay, the symmetry isn't in the color. If you look at the shape, it's symmetrical. Now, again, the color, it doesn't look symmetrical, but if you look at the shape outline, it does have a line of symmetry. And we've got two rectangles, 2 triangles, and a parallelogram. Okay, what about this? Now, if you look straight down, looking just at the shape, it's not symmetrical. But if you look what they've done, they've actually turned the shape. So turn your head a little bit, like here. So you're looking at this part, and look, there's a line of symmetry down the middle. So sometimes you're going to have to turn your head a little bit to find it. Okay, which of these have a line of symmetry? So let's go point downwards. Is that a line of symmetry just looking at the shape? Yeah. Now this one, it doesn't have one straight down, but let's just turn our heads. Does this work either? No, so it doesn't have a line of symmetry. What about this one? So it doesn't straight down, but it does. Okay, so straight down, it doesn't have a line of symmetry. But if we turn our heads, the line of symmetry is actually already done for us, straight across. Now, what about here? Straight down, is that a good line of symmetry? It actually is. So that's done straight away. Now this one, straight down, no. Let's turn our heads. Can you see a line of symmetry? It's actually the same shape, isn't it? It's just turned over. So if we do that and turn our heads, there is a line of symmetry. Okay, now we've got to draw a line of symmetry for each figure. I want you to pause here and talk to your mums and dads or whoever you're working with and talk about whether there's a line of symmetry, where you could find that line of symmetry. Okay, so I found one line of symmetry in this shape and it goes all the way down. What about this shape? So if I cut it in the middle, it wouldn't be the same on both sides. So let's go all the way down on this shape. And yeah, it's symmetrical, but if I cut it across, it's not symmetrical because that's too big and that's too small to match, isn't it? Now this one, some of you might have gone all the way down, but some of you clever clogs might have also gone all the way across if my line's in the right place. There. And it's the same on both sides. Okay, think about what shapes have also been used. So look, there's a triangle there and a square there. What's this called? A rectangle. This one, a trapezium or quadrilateral. A rectangle, square, and square. And then here, loads of triangles. And there, the line of symmetry there would be straight down. Oops, I did a rubbish job of it, but straight down the middle. Okay, so you're going to be doing pages 49 and 50. I will be putting them up, but let's have a look at them together. Okay, look at the shaded shapes below and circle the shapes that are symmetrical. Remember to turn your head and draw in the line of symmetry if you can see it. And then here, drawing a line of symmetry. So it's fairly simple. So have a lovely weekend and I will see you soon. Bye.